Welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on commodity markets. Today, we're diving into the cotton futures market, where strong US dollar and weakening oil prices are putting downward pressure on cotton contracts. As traders keep a close eye on Tropical Storm Francine, the cotton market faces new challenges. On September 10th, ICE cotton futures experienced a slight decline, with the December cotton contract slipping by 0.19 cents to settle at 67.69 cents per pound. Similarly, March and May contracts saw drops, closing at 69.46 cents and 70.80 cents per pound, respectively. This marked the second consecutive weekly loss for the December contract, which has fallen by 3% over the past week. In August, the December contract showed signs of recovery, breaking a 4-month losing streak with a 1.5% gain, fueled by weather concerns. However, the current bearish sentiment stems from investor caution ahead of US inflation data expected this week. A mixed payroll report released last Friday has increased speculation that the Federal Reserve may opt for a smaller interest rate cut, contributing to a stronger US dollar. This, in turn, is making US cotton less competitive for international buyers. Weather conditions, on the other hand, are providing some bullish signals. Traders are closely watching the potential impact of Tropical Storm Francine, which could hit key cotton growing regions in the Gulf. Weather patterns like these often drive market volatility, so it's important to stay informed on how the storm develops. Meanwhile, the National Agricultural Statistics Service, NASS, reported after market close that 45% of the US cotton crop has reached the boll opening stage, slightly ahead of the 40% average. Around 8% of the crop has already been harvested, which is 2 percentage points above normal. However, crop conditions have worsened, with only 40% of the cotton rated as good to excellent, down from 44% last week. The improvements in Texas were offset by declines in Georgia. On the trade front, the USDA highlighted strong export sales, particularly to key markets such as Pakistan and India. Despite this, overall US cotton exports are lagging, reaching just 38% of the USDA's annual forecast, which is below the typical pace. Online cash sales have also been minimal, with only 1,475 bales sold at an average price of 65.41 cents per pound last Thursday. Looking at the bigger picture, export commitments for the 2024-25 cotton season are down 12% compared to last year, totaling 4.648 million running bales. This covers just 41% of the USDA's export forecast, below the usual 52% pace for this time of year. Meanwhile, ICE cotton stocks remained unchanged at 265 bales on September 6, and the Cotlook A index saw a dip of 35 points, settling at 80.80 cents per pound. Additionally, the USDA adjusted world price, or AWP, increased by 29 points, reaching 57.27 cents per pound. Despite lower production estimates, traders remain cautious. As we move forward, market participants are likely to focus on key factors such as weather patterns, global demand, and geopolitical uncertainties. That's all for today's cotton market update. Stay tuned to Ajay Astro Money Guru for the latest insights on commodity markets. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.